Man, I'm so glad Valentine's Day is over. It is such a draining day. But now, though, we can get back to my first love. You know what I'm talking about, buddy.
The paint.
I hear you. Let's get the guys together and paint. Did you know like 90% of my viewers are women?
I know. Women. Every time I log into YouTube, that's all I see. But they are so freaking amazing, though. But we really need to show them what us guys can do.
So come join the guys as we paint. We promise it'll be a lot of fun. There's going to be some entertaining live chats, lots of colors, and definitely some interesting techniques. We may even have a giveaway or two. And obviously, dad jokes.
So join us. Come sit back, relax, and have some fun with us. I can guarantee that you'll have some fun, but I can't guarantee that someone won't be topless.
Topless?